Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying a different hairstyle each day this week. Today is Monday, August 3rd. Can you see that? There you go. So it's Monday, August 3rd, and every day I'm just going to show the date to let you know that I am doing a different hairstyle every day. So I'm going to start by taking my hair out of these little balls. This is the hairstyle that I'm going to be attempting to do. The tools you want to make sure that you have: an edge toothbrush, some type of gel, a product that you actually braid or twist your hair with. And then you need a water bottle, scrunchies, bobby pin, and I go ahead and I start parting my hair. Then use your clip and then water. Next we're going to detangle. Then add a little bit of product. And then go in with your gel. Just kind of smooth down around the roots. And go to your edges and smooth down your edges. And then you just want to braid your hair. Now we're going to go to the other side. You have your two braids done. Form two sections. Try to make it as close as possible. Add your product. Braid it. Cornrow it down to the scalp. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just cornrowed down like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you just take a bobby pin. And then, see if you guys can see that. Do a bobby pin. And then let it. Get your product and run your fingers through. And this is your finished look. This is day one of trying a different hairstyle. Good morning, guys. Today is day 2 of trying a different hairstyle for a week. I kind of have to rush through this one because I have something to do, somewhere to be. I'm going to be attempting to do this one, so I'm going to try that. My hair is completely clean. So now I'm just going to take out my 2 curls in the front and twist it up. The Miracle Moist on my hair because I like putting fish in my hair. So now I'm just going to part sections for the front. So I have both sections parted now, and then it's just the back that's going to be out. So now I'm just going to spray that with water. Then you want to take your conditioner. My hair is completely moisturized. It's still white, but we're going to fix that in the end. Now we're going to move on to the top 2 pieces. Okay, once those are done, you just want to take your brush right here and slick it down. And take your bobby pin. So this is what we have so far. Now we're just gonna move to the front. And take the same product that you had, coat it. Then split it back down the middle. And then just do finger coils. Edge toothbrush, take a little bit, and just lay down my edges so they don't look so puffy looking. Okay guys, this is the finished hairstyle. Today is day 3 of filming a hairstyle every day for a whole week. So I'm going to show you guys the hairstyle that I'm going to be attempting today. First, I'm just taking all the bobby pins out and taking my hair down completely. And then we're just going to part down the middle. But then you just want to take one side and put it up in a little ball, clip, whatever. Then you want to take your water bottle and completely drench this side with water. I still have product on it from yesterday, so I'm not going to add any product other than my oil. Then I'm just going to take my oil and work it through. Now that I have my oil on my hair, I'm going to go again and part this into 2 sections. Okay. Now I'm going to take this side and clip it. Next, you want to take your gel and lay your edges. And then I start to cornrow. And I'm going to stop the braid about here and just bobby pin it. Start cornrowing this section. And stop it right there. Take your bobby pin out and then you create your bun. You just fix it up and make it how you want it. Now I'm gonna speed through this side since you guys already get the gist of what's going on. Alright guys, this is the finished look. It's not really my style. I would normally have like pigtails or just braid it all the way down and then just wear like cornrows, but that was the hairstyle that I showed y'all, so this is the hairstyle completed. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for day 4. Hi guys, today is day 4 of trying a different hairstyle for a week, and today I'm going to be attempting to do this hairstyle. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So first I'm just taking my hairstyle out from yesterday. So now I'm just going to take my comb and part it. Okay, and then you have 2 sections. Now we're going to part down here, and then we're going to cornrow the opposite way. Now do the next side. So once I'm done with both braids, I then go on the ends and just take a little bit of gel to make the ends look a little more put together. And then next, we're going to split these into 3 equal sections. And then once you get the sections, you just want to go ahead and put your rubber bands around it. So it should look like this. And then we're going to do the next side. So after you're done, it should look like this in the front with the 2 braids and the 6 rubber bands. Now we're just going to moisturize our hair with conditioner and wet it with water. Alright, so before I do the other side, this is what this side looks like. It's cute down. I like it down. But the hairstyle is in a space bun, so we're just gonna do that really quick. Okay, this is the first side. I'm gonna lay my edges, just wait. And then we're gonna do the other side really quick. Alright, these are the pigtails, and now we're just gonna lay our edges. Alright guys, this is the finished look for this hairstyle. This is day 4 of trying a different hairstyle for a week. So if you guys are enjoying this video, stay tuned for the last and final day, day 5. Today is day 5 of trying a different hairstyle for an entire week. This is the hairstyle that I will be attempting for you guys. So if you're interested, then keep watching this video. So I washed my hair because my hair was so full of product and gel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split where I want my back section and where I want my buns to separate. Once you section off your front 2 sections, then you just wanna work with your back part. It's still a little wet from when I showered. We're going to go in with the Aussie Moist Conditioner. Just work this through the hair. Once you're done working it through, I then go in with my oil and then I just rake that through as well. Okay, and now we are done with the back section. Now I'm going to take the front and kind of part off where I want my bangs to start and end. Okay, and then once you have your bang section, you want to then moisturize those. Once you're done moisturizing your bangs, we're then going to clip these up. And now we're going to start working on each bun. So I'm going to start with the left bun first. And you just want to wet it and moisturize it. Next, you want to take some oil. And then once you're done moisturizing and everything with your bun, you want to make sure it's fully detangled. And then you want to just form the pigtail like this. And then you want to repeat it to the other side. Okay guys, this is how my hair is looking right now. And then now I'm just going to go in and lay my edges over here. And then I'll be back to do my bangs. Once you're done with your edges, you then want to wrap your buns and make them the size and the shape that you want them. So I'm just going to take this and kind of wrap it in a circle, size and the shape of my bun, and I'm just going to do it to the other side. And then once you have your buns the shape that you like them, you then work on your bangs. Your bangs, if they're too long for your face, you can take them and kind of scrunch them up like this. You take your hair, bunch it up, and then bobby pin that hair down. Keep moving it up if you need to, but you just want to keep bobby pinning the hair down until you like the shape and the length of your bang. Alright guys, this is the completed hairstyle. I think I did pretty good. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it to this part of the video, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.